Busy na ang daan, guys. Oh. Yan. Busy na sa panginabuhi. Yan, nagtatrabaho na yung ating mga kababayan. Hello guys! Ayan, ready na kaming lumabas. So, today's agenda, pupunta kami ng Bureau of Immigration. Tapos, pagkatapos niyan, pupunta kami ng MOA. So, doon na kami kakain and then bibili lang kami ng konti, guys. But anyway, pinadeliver na namin yung pinalaundry namin kahapon, guys. And we paid 3,409 pesos. Yeah, such a waste of money. Ang mahal, sobrang mahal. Tapos, ayoko magpalabas sa labas kasi alam mo naman, hindi natin alam kung gaano. But, we wanted to save some money kaya nag-lightweight kami. Pero it seemed like it's the other way around. It's the opposite. So, we'll be here for 1 week. Hopefully, hindi na kami lalampas ng 1 week, guys. Pero, ayun na nga, yun na yung nakikita kong problema na kaagad dito, yung sa laundry. So, but anyway, namimiss na namin si Neo. Right, Rachel?
Yes.
Yeah, we miss Neo na. Yan, so,
No, I
for
don't
now,
miss Neo because I'm not
he's in good hands.
First thing, I've been separated from my friends, and then you're gonna separate me from my second friend. So why
Oh
would
my
I feel bad
gosh.
separated from an animal if I already get
This is your,
separated?
but guess what? I didn't say that, you don't have to feel bad that you're away from your friends. Of course, I know you're missing your friends, but we have to deal with, we have to deal with this.
I'm actually happy that we moved away from my friend's location. Not gonna lie.
Na-off na ang aking light. So, ayan. But anyway, chill na muna si Neo sa bahay ng parents ko. Sakit akong ulo, nak.
I was annoyed that I was ignored from my friends who I got for like 5 years. And
yung
then
friends niya sa Florida.
Compared to friends who I only had for 4 months. So, that's why it's not really as much.
She's used to it. But anyway, Lord's will, bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon makapag-visit pa rin tayo ng Florida. But anyway, hopefully things will go smooth today. So, katatapos lang namin dito. Ayan. Nasa Bureau of Quarantine kami ngayon. Right, Rachel? So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa guys, sa Bureau of Immigration. Ayan. Hey, Rachel. It didn't take us long to finish here, Daddy. No? Pero babalik pa kami dito sa Monday. Okay, nandito kami guys ngayon sa Pizza Hut. Ayan, sobrang gutom na talaga kami at this moment. Kasi from the Bureau of Quarantine, dumiretso na kami ng Bureau of Immigration para ma-process ko naman yung papers ko. And thankfully, I was able to finish it in 1 day. Ayan, pero ayun nga, medyo nagutuman kami kasi wala kaming kain. Although may crackers naman kaming dala-dala. Yeah. Look, Rachel.
Hi.
Yes. Where have you been?
We're walking back to the mall.
Kasi we had to use the bathroom. Yeah, we had to go to the bathroom kasi naiihi na talaga kami. Nakita kami dito pusa. Saan? Oh my God! Look, nadaanan namin dito. Look!
Oh my God!
I'm so tired.
I ran away.
And look at that! Orange!
Hey, kitten!
Dalawa dito, naglalaro pa sila.
It's real Neo. That one over there, it's so ugly.
It's just that his face is a little hard.
No, yeah, but it reminds the actor. Oh my God!
Goodness, pwedeng i-adopt na lang silang lahat. Oh my gosh! cute! Para siyang aso yung face niya. Look at his face!
It's so cute!
Look like a dog.
Oh my god!
Taga Jinsen?
Oo. Pwede pa lang na mo adapon.
Smile, Bing! Mana?
Ay! Ka-cute ni mo, Miming. So we are all dressed. We are about to step out of our room para pumunta ng Bureau of Quarantine. Ayan, so nakapag-book na kami ng Grab. Hinihintay na lang namin siya na dumating and then, yeah. So, yeah, today is a beautiful day. Yes, Rachel?
Yes.
Ayan, oh. Medyo ano pa, pero busy na. Yeah, busy na ang mga people. Yan, say good morning, Daddy. Yan, so hopefully things will be finished today. We only have one day left tomorrow. Yeah, para makapag-enjoy. Pero kung hindi, it's okay because we are actually here for business. Right, Rachel? Yeah. So, hindi kami nakalabas kahapon guys kasi nilagnat si Rachel and yeah, medyo may ubo siya. Yeah.
Don't forget to call Lolo later.
Yeah, we're gonna call Lolo later. We'll check niyo. How do you like the soup?
It's horrible. Because I don't have to go to work.
Yeah, it's so good. So, nag-order kami ng creamy mushroom soup. So, order. Na-knockdown si Rachel. Pagkatapos niyang kumain, na-knockdown na siya. Ay, nako, that's good. Oh, ano yan? So, we are back in the hotel. Right now, I'm just putting some drinks in the refrigerator para lumamig na sila. By the way, pagkatapos nga pala namin kumain, guys, bumalik pa kami sa Bureau of Quarantine kasi tinapos ng asawa ko yung kanyang x-ray. And then, pagkatapos, pumunta kami ng MOA because we had to buy some groceries. Ito, bumili ako ng guyabano juice. Meron din tayong mga chips, guys. Meron ding soda water. Pero hindi namin namalaya na zero pala yung nabili namin. So, we didn't like the taste, to be honest. Yeah, so we had to get some stuff that will last for 2 days kasi we only had 2 days left sa aming stay dito sa Manila. So, ayan. Meron din pala tayong guys, Hawaiian dinner rolls. Paborito namin yan ng aking pamilya. And of course, we also grabbed some bananas kasi kailangan natin ng vitamin K and vitamin C. Ayan. So, anyway, namili rin ako ng mga dingdong, charut, boy bawang kasi hindi ko na yan nakain ng for such a long time. Binilhan ko na rin ng plantain yung anak ko kasi paborito yan ng pamilya, charut. Yan, tapos bumili na rin ako ng Q-tips, guys, kasi yung last na nabili namin ng Q-tip, medyo soft siya masyado. And also, I bought a hand wipes para pag uwi natin yan, guys, may magagamit tayo sa plane. And then meron din tayo ditong sabon para panglaban ng ating mga underwears, charut. Anyway, yan lang yung ganap natin today.
Isa to sa mga lagi kong pinakover na kanta. Actually, bihira ko na lang siya i-cover acoustic, pero aalalahanin ko siya today.
Balik tayo dito sa Fully Booked. Ito, yung author na ito is one of the authors na hinahanap ko. I was looking for this back in Florida. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna get this for Rachel. Okay, listen to this. You can find like 2 books that you really like and then I'm gonna help you find another 2 books. We're gonna get 4 books on there, okay? Yeah. Did you find the one that you like?
No, not yet. I'm just like searching so I know which stuff.
Yeah, okay. Dito kami, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami. I got books for Rachel. She got some new chapter books. Look at this. Over here. It looks like a poppy, right?
Yeah.
That's still a poppy.
And it will take years. It will never become a dog. It will stay as a a puppy forever standing there until they change it. Hopefully it stays.
Nandito na tayo guys. So, isi-share ko lang yung mga libro na napamili ko kanina. I got 4 books for Rachel. So, the first one is entitled Vanished. This was written by James Ponti. This is a New York Times best-selling book. Ayan, so, medyo interesting siya, kaya binili ko. Kasi nga best-selling siya, 'di ba, Charut? So I hope Rachel will enjoy this book. So the next one is the book Dust. Hindi ko lang sure pero parang na ano na ito ni Rachel dati pa sa Florida pero hindi niya natapos kasi that was the time that we were about to leave the country. So ito siya at least this will just be included in her collection after niyang matapos. And then I also got the third book. Yes, ito siya, The Tale of Despero by Kate DiCamillo or DiCamillo. So I heard about this book from one of the homeschooling moms. So she has a very high standard when it comes to school. She's very smart. She's actually a doctor and a lawyer. So ayan, so nirecommend niya talaga kaya when I saw it, I'm like, I'm gonna get one for sure. So then our last book is entitled The Secret Garden. Ito siya. Yan, medyo makapal ito siya. Nabasa na ito ni Rachel when she was in third or fourth grade, pero, or third grade, yeah. Pero iba yung version kasi mas manipis yun siya. Ayan, so this cost 449 pesos. So most book nga pala guys na appropriate sa edad ni Rachel, um, they cost 499, like $10 or less than $10. So it doesn't cost that much.